Hey guys, welcome back to Low Battery Gaming and Life on Low Battery. Today we're doing another Tech Time with Theo, but we are actually going to be fixing a RAZER NAGA 2011. This is like the first generation of them. So as you see, I already took it apart because I need to start cleaning it. Here's another piece. If you look on this cam, you see all the parts. So yes, I've taken it apart so far. I'll show you each component of it. This is the main brains. We had to take out the battery because it was expanded, but this needs a total cleaning. I don't know if you can tell. Yeah, this needs a total cleaning and everything. The reason I'm looking up because I'm looking at where my OBS is. That's what I'm looking up, not here. But yeah, it needs a total clean. The problem with the mouse right now is the right clicker, like mouse button, is double clicking, which means it's missing a click, and then once it does click, it's actuating a double click. So the switch may need to be replaced in this switch right here. So I might switch both of them out, because if you want to do one, why don't you just do both? But that won't be in this video. That'll be in the next video if we need to do more invasive maneuvers. Invasive surgery to fix the problem with this. So I did get a can of electrical cleaner, lovely, and I got some alcohol to clean this up, and I got some canned air. This is filmed on 2 cameras. We got a main cam here and secondary cam here. I'm gonna switch over to that mic since I don't want to be talking so much. So get ready and let's clean this mouse, and hopefully we'll be able to fix it before you're operational. So let's get on with this. So we are going to start cleaning this. I got some Q-tips over here, off cam, you can't really see them, but I got some cleaner. We're not going to use that yet because it's not going to use it yet. I'm going to blow this out because I haven't done that yet for this. So. Not much for that piece. So that means we need to get a little more invasive. So let's get the screwdriver out. I'm still trying to find the center spot of this. So, and I will be showing you the whole rebuild, putting this all back together as well. So I don't know how long it's going to be, but we'll find out. Sorry, my hand's covering a lot. Apologize for that. I'm trying to unscrew this. Break this. Let's just see what. There we go. Easy peasy. Here we go. See. I just had it. There we go. Okay. Let me blast this out a little bit. Okay. Now we can take out the little membrane. Believe, right? So really get down and clean this thing. Okay, wow, that is a lot of grime. You can see, yeah, there you go. All that brown, years of just need to be cleaned. That's good right there. That's good. So a little time lapse. And yes, you may be wondering, why am I focusing on this? Well, when it's done, I let them nice time. I like to be very precise and clean. It's dirty. Yeah. I should get some jazz going. No, it's not. way better. Let's put it back together. There, you can see it's shining now. One piece done. Let's just quickly. This is where the new rubber feet go. These. Got a pack of 2, so I can get new rubbers for the bottom of these. So that's done. Next piece. This one's not too bad, but there's still some little areas. So I'm trying to keep this all on cam, on footage. So I apologize for that. Okay, that piece is done. This is where it's a little bit more grimy. Using my paper towels, I don't know how vicious this electrical cleaner is. So that's good. Now let's pop it back together. That's how this thing works. It's kind of cool like that. You gotta be gentle at the same time. And gentle is not my speciality. I break this, there's a small chance I won't be able to fix it. I'm trying to find it, but I can't see it. What the hell is it? I hate that sound because it sounds like it's breaking, but it's not. Okay, let's just do that. There we go. 1 bit, 2 bit, 3 bit. Sweet. And the motherboard looks to be fine, but I'm just going to do a little gentle. Don't worry, I won't plug this in until it is all dry. And with air cans, you want to make sure you don't tip them upside down. So the frost will kill the electronics. So, and why there's screws in here, it's what screws into this. So that's why there's screws here so I won't lose them. I want to take the motherboard off, but at the same time, that's a lot of screws. So I'm phone by, I was just making sure everything was okay. But to get to that one, we're going to take this whole thing apart. So let's just get going. I found my brother's iFixit kit because he got one at some point. Didn't know he did. So how this works is it goes through lesson time. So these notches right here, notches talk to this one. And that's how they communicate through the board. It's here to here. We're still not to the switch yet, are we? No, we're not. Okay, let's back out a little bit. The reason why I'm just stepping back and looking at how I'm going to put it back together and all. That's what's taking a little break. I'll be right back, guys. We are back. I got the board back in. I got this little piece attached. Pain in the ass. But I did soak it. Sorry for the quiet. A couple minutes when I was trying to soak this. Other people in the room, and I didn't want the audio to be in, so I might voice over it. But yeah, this is the board so far. Put it back together piece by piece. Okay, I was right. I just had to take it off to confirm. And what I'm probably going to do is not put a new battery in this, because all the batteries I could find were aftermarket, which I personally don't like. Not saying it's bad or anything, I just don't like aftermarket parts, like batteries. How's that click sound though? Sounds pretty good to me. We're not gonna put this fully back together. We're gonna plug it in and see how well it does on the mouse function report. You'll see what I got. Where'd my cable go I was gonna use? Since we're done functionally with this, I'm gonna plug it in and move over to this screen. Okay, I'm having both cameras running right now, because I don't know if this thing's gonna smoke or not. Honest to God, that's why both cams running. Overhead and main. So let's switch over to a new tab. So now we're gonna plug in the mouse. That's the part I'm most worried about, because hopefully I got it right. Okay, we got lights. We got no smoking, but the mouse is moving. Let's do left click. That's looking good. Okay, moment of truth. Shit. Not too bad. I mean, it's working. Never said it wasn't working. See, I'll do it over here so that everything can see. Let me zoom in for you folks. And as you see, I'm just doing it without the top. Without the top, but it's not making a big difference. But I call that success. No, I mean, out of the 100 clicks we've done, we only have 4 double clicks, which is fine. My mouse on the other table, the Corsair one, it does the same thing sometimes. It's a little more of a defined click. See, if I do like that, it gets more clicks. I think we call this a good job. Again, it's working. It sounds better than what it used to sound like. I hope we can get a good sound test. That's the right button. This is the left button. We have 10 out of the 198. So I'm calling this a win. So, folks, let me put this all back together. I'll get right back to you to end this video. Let's put this mouse together. Back together, folks. So guys, if you like this video, leave a like. If you want to see more, subscribe. And this has been Tech Time with Theo, fixing a RAZER NAGA 2011 Epic. Have a great one, guys, and I'll see you next one. Bye-bye! Bye! Bye!